You can live in a car, you can't drive a house.
Yeah,
That's facts.
it's like it's like a weird SUV. Like you don't expect an SUV to be like fast, but it's still like pretty comfortable.
This guy in the Infinity's fucking recording it.
Oh. Should go gold digger pranks at the bars.
Yo, what's really crazy is the SVJ. The SVJ is like
I can't wait for that.
it's like crack.
Imagine this towing the SVJ, getting a roller shot.
Yeah, somebody did that
With a Huracan, I think.
Yeah. That was
I forgot Gil or something. White one.
Cody.
Yeah, that guy.
That was Cody.
What is that? What is that? Dude, what is that? First spot, shooting the Urus. Thing's nuts.
Yeah, it's like chill, bro.
Yeah, no.
It's a perfect like car to just drive every day. Comfy, fast. Looks good.
I'll be with you in a few minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Title of the video, yo. Lamborghini Urus drive-through orders the entire menu.
You know what? I might get
Help you?
spicy crispy chicken.
That looks good, yeah.
Let's do the. I'll do number 2 meal.
Number 2 meal?
Yeah.
Can I get number 2 the meal?
Number 2, do you want cheese on it?
Yeah.
Yes.
What kind of drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Does it come with onions and
Anything
pickles?
else?
Does it come with onions and pickles?
Yes.
Take them off. Take 'em off.
Can you take those off?
Anything else?
That's it.
I'll do the number 8 meal.
Yes. Number 8.
What kind of drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, that's it.
And can I get the spicy chicken, the meal?
You good back there?
So that's the number 10. What kind of drink?
Can I?
Do you guys
Cruising?
have high C or the Fanta?
Fanta. Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Total $29.40.
All right, thank you. I took high C off the menu, broke my heart.
Yeah.
Whack.
I always used to get the high C.
This guy's going to jail, bro.
Bro, someone's down the back of it?
Yeah. Dude, one of the workers got arrested.
What happened?
He was a worker.
Jeez, I think that's why they're taking a little bit.
Yeah, definitely.
$29.40.
Yes, please.
I'm sorry?
Yes, please.
Have a good night.
You too. Thank you. Let's go.
Yeah, like,
As she was getting my food, he came in the back and was like this. He's like, I don't know what you want me to do. I'm like doing this.
that was the manager?
It looked like it.
Oh my
I saw that guy
god.
in Burger King.
Yeah, the manager got arrested. Jeez.
That's like a cool fucking. Yo, so much random crap is happening today.
Yeah, no.
Manager Burger King got arrested.
Oh, that's caught on video.
I know, right?
Oh, let's go, bro. So hungry.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, we got all the ketchups.
So, yeah, guys, we're eating in a Urus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fire! They like go in.
Yeah. There's a couple if you pull the middle part.
Wait, could you put the light on from here? Was it that one?
Oh.
Nah, that.
Yo.
Yeah.
Shit.
Did you?
I don't even know who's who.
That mine's like long.
Is yours?
Yeah, that's probably mine. Right.
Whopper?
Yes, man.
Oh, there's like none left, bro.
That's fine.
Make it last. Make it last. We noticed the cops came back. The guy, which is, we're assuming, the manager of Burger King. Dude, would they take him for a nice stroll to scare him? Dude, what are they doing? Is he in that car?
I think he's in the back.
Is he in that one?
Yeah.
Goddamn.
Towing that guy's car?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
They're towing the guy's car?
That's OD, bro.
They're doing the most right now, dude. And that guy's gotta pay for that, and it's like triple the price of an actual tow for no reason.
You going to your crib?
Yeah. Go back there.
Bro, this is insane.
Dude, they're towing his car?
That poor guy. I don't know what he did, but
We'll never know.
you want me to turn that off?
Yeah, how do you turn this? That's
It's like nothing. Seems so fast. Oh, send it. The pops are so nice. It's different than the
Yeah, it's like deeper.
yeah.
Yo, I'll see you guys later, bro. Good
Alright.
meeting you.
Bye,
I'll
bye.
catch you around. Hit me up, Nick.
Alright. And that's while drinking a Coke or whatever he's drinking. While he's drinking a Coke! Yeah. Holy shit. Oh.
I remember when I first like drove it, I was like, bro, for an SUV, this is like a car, man.
dude, it moves.
Yeah, like you don't feel the weight. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no. With the. Yeah. Let me get my stuff out. He's the Burger King. This one's mine. Let me get my camera stuff out.
Your bag's back there too.
Yeah, I got my bag. You want to hold this?
Yeah, thank you again, dude.
Of course, bro.
On the rear, cause like slammed it, and it just needs an alignment with like a little bit of camber.
Sheesh!
With whatever car, I don't worry. Dude, this thing's sick.
Yeah, bro. Let's get some more Lambo content.
Thanks, bro. I'll see you, Brody.
Peace out, bro. Drive safe.
See you, man.
Peace. Oh, yo! That's a wrap.